Baby, I have a question for you.
No.
What?
I have a question for you this time.
Oh.
I'm curious.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
I heard that girls don't wash their favorite bras that often.
Yeah, that's true.
Ew!
What do you mean, ew?
That's disgusting. If I have a favorite pair of boxers and I wear those all the time and I don't wear those, is that not disgusting?
Well, boxers aren't as expensive
No, that's
as
disgusting.
bras.
Okay, question number 2.
Okay.
I heard that when you put your hair up, like you do every day, it means that you didn't wash your hair. That's disgusting. That's
Who
no
did you
wonder
learn
your hair
that
smells like
from?
shit.
Who did you learn that from?
It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. And number 3, my last
God.
important question for the boys. Okay?
Okay.
What the hell do you guys talk about in the bathroom when all y'all scurry on in there as a group, huh?
Oh, that's girl talk. You're not allowed to know about that.
No, please! I'm so curious!
No, it's girl talk. I can't break girl.
Tell me!